Hi everyone, Lexi here with Abundant Life Dreams. Today I'm going to be showing you these bath bombs from HayaYoffi. So let's get started. So the bath bombs that I have here from HayaYoffi is a box of 12, and these are infused with natural essential oils. There are no synthetic fragrances or dyes in these bath bombs. And I'm going to show you what they look like inside the packaging. So this is a box of 12, and as we open this up, we're going to see there are 12 bath bombs in here, and I'll just give you a close-up of the box on the top. And here's the bath bombs that are inside. There's 12 of them. They're individually wrapped, and there are 12 different fragrances in this box. Each of them smell really nice, and as you know or don't know, these you just open up from this packaging and drop it in your bath, and it's going to start fizzing. Some of them have different colors, but they fizz in the bath. And then they have the essential oils, which provide you with a nice, relaxing, aromatic bath, so you can just relax for a while in your bath and just kind of chill out. Okay, so now we're going to pull one of these out of here and unpackage it and show you how this works in the bath. And the one that I picked here is grapefruit and mint. This one looks like it has multiple colors, so I'm excited to see what this looks like when I drop it in. So I'm going to unwrap it. This is just like a little tissue paper wrapped around it. And this actually has a seal. So I'm going to go get something to cut that off real quick, and I'll be right back. All right, so this is bath bomb outside of the plastic packaging. As you can see, it has multiple colors. And so I'm going to go ahead and put this in the tub. And let's check it out. It should start fizzing right away. And it is. And as you can see, all the different colors. Look at that. Look how fun that is. This is a great gift item for anybody, really. So female, male, adults, kids, and Christmas is coming up. So what a wonderful, Christmas idea. Comes really nicely packaged. And you could give your loved one something where they can do something for themselves and relax in the tub. So the whole idea of these is to, hop in while it's still dissolving, because that's part of the effect. But as you can see, we have multiple colors. And then when I feel the water, it's going to be, those essential oils. I can smell those. I'll bring this back over in the screen. As you can see, it's about a third of the way or so done, almost halfway. But it just creates a nice, fun bath. And then I can feel, the essential oils. And like I said, I can smell those also. It smells wonderful. So as you can see, right now it's spinning, so really fun. Kids enjoy these a lot, and anybody actually that loves a nice relaxing spa bath would enjoy having these. All right, so it took about 5 minutes or so for that to fully dissolve. Now I can smell the aroma. I can smell it up at this level, so I'm looking forward to taking a nice bath and enjoying that. I'm going to put a link in the description along with any coupon codes if I get those. I hope that you found this helpful, and be sure to like and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.